Alright, language explorers, so let's look at today's commonly confused words. So appraise and apprise. So appraise, to judge the value of something. Yeah, how much? How much? So I will have the painting appraised. Yeah, to judge how much it's worth. I will have it appraised, the value. We have had it appraised, and it is worth 10 million pounds. So the painting, the artworks all need appraising. How much are they worth? Yeah, how cool is that? And apprise is to tell someone. Tell someone something, yes. Yeah, to tell someone something. I'm going to apprise it soon. Who is going to apprise the information? They want to apprise things publicly, to tell people about it publicly. Without them thinking, they apprised it suddenly. They just told me about it without thinking. Yeah. Careful what you apprise, because you don't know who is listening. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Apprise. So appraise, and apprise. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use appraise and apprise in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? Like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, Nanchev. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.